Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to continue the instruction on how to order repair kits, specifically Wilkins. You may know them as Wilkins, Zurn, or Zurn-Wilkins. They use a repair kit numbering system similar to Ames, Febco, and Watts, in that they use a letter designation, size, kind of, and an indication of what the kit consists of, kind of. I will explain the kind of comment shortly. Wilkins repair kit options are increasing as they create some new kits. In the past, Wilkins has offered individual parts, but like several other manufacturers, I think they want to limit individual items and include them in kits. Where do I begin? I have done this job for so long it all makes sense in my head, but it is more difficult to explain than I thought. I think when Wilkins initially created their repair kit numbers, they only offered just a few different models, and it was easy to follow their repair kit pattern. But I think as they expanded their Backflow line, the kits became more varied, and some of the models required different kits than offered previously. The purpose of this video is to show you some guidelines of how the repair kits are numbered, and what would come in each kit, and ultimately provide some resources for you to know what each kit is, what is in them, and how to order them. Let's start with the breakdown of the number. They start their repair kit numbers with RK, meaning repair kit. The RK is followed with the size their kit is intended for, kind of. I will address this on the next slide. Next, after the size, the model number of the assembly is listed, kind of. Again, this can be confusing and I will cover this shortly. Talk about a cliffhanger. The last part of the repair kit oftentimes will indicate what the kit consists of, kind of. Let's talk about these kind ofs, or the confusing aspects of the kit numbers. Oftentimes the kit will cover more than one size. Sometimes it only covers one size. When it covers more than one size, often it will start with the smallest size. For example, on the 975XL 3/4 inch and 1 inch, they are the same repair kit. This would show on the repair kit number as simply 3/4 for 3/4 inch. But on the 720A repair kits, they use the largest size that it fits. For example, on the 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch size repair kit, it would begin RK1. The issue is you do not know what the size range may be. Is it just for one size or for a group of sizes, either smaller or larger than the one used in the kit number? An example would be the RK212-375R. This fits 2.5 inch through 6 inch. Knowing this comes with experience and familiarity with the brand, or with the tools I will show you shortly. Another issue is that the repair kit number doesn't always have all the model numbers that it fits. This seems to be more of an issue with the larger 350, 375, 450, 475 series models. I will explain this on another slide also. The problem with this is that it leaves a person to wonder if parts of one kit will work for another model of assembly. What I mean is this. The 950XL and 975XL 2-inch and smaller assemblies are a good example. The check rubbers are the same for both models. So if you only need to replace the check rubbers, you would buy the 950XL rubber kit. But if you apply that logic to the 350 and 375 2-inch and smaller assemblies, you would be incorrect in your assumption. Again, the only way you would know what the right kit would be is to be familiar with the brand, the models, and their literature, or contacting an expert like us. It is important to make sure you know the complete model number. I'm not sure why, but so often people will tell me the number portion of the model but leave the letter portions off. Numbers and letters all mean something, and not giving all of the model number could mean getting the wrong kit. Examples include 975XL, 975XL2, 950XL, 950XLT, 350, 350A, 350 AST, to mention only a few. Before the 950XLT, there was a 950XL, and just the 950. While there are some similarities, and some parts are the same, there are other parts that are different. The XL on some of the models, such as the 2-inch and smaller 350 and 375s, designate them as lead-free. For example, a lead-free model number would be 350XL or 375XL, but on the 975XL, the XL is part of the model number. The lead-free version would be 975XL2. For the 350, the 2.5 inch and 3 inch parts are the same, but the 350A 2.5 inch and 3 inch parts are different than the model 350. On the 350A, they actually use the 4-inch parts, and 2.5 inch, 3 inch, and 4 inch parts are the same. These are only a couple of examples. So the difference in the model numbers indicates size ranges, modifications, materials such as a stainless steel body or lead-free designations. Oftentimes it doesn't make a difference because they take the same parts, or I should say take some of the same parts. Again, the 950XL and 950XLT take the same parts except that the seats are different. On the 350A and 350A ST, the check rubbers are the same, but the entire check and retainers are different. And the repair kit number may not even include the model number you are working on. This applies to many models. As I mentioned, the 975XL check rubbers and the 950XL check rubbers are the same. Yet when you order the 975XL check rubber repair kit, it looks like it only works for the 950XL. Is your head spinning yet? Let's see if we can make it spin a little more, shall we? Just hang in there with me. I will get to the resources that will help you through all this. What about what each kit contains? Often the letters after the model number will indicate what is in the kit. Even the kit description that I will show you shortly will indicate what's in it. Here are some of the letter designations that follow the model number that indicate what might be in the kit. R means rubber kit, but it is not always part of the part number. SK means seat kit. C means complete with all internals, but it is not always part of the part number. Then there are V for vessel and W for the 350 and 375 2-inch and smaller assemblies, and several new ones are being created that we will not list here. But here are some observations. Rules seem to be different between 2-inch and smaller and 2.5 inch and larger. There are more abbreviations for the 2-inch and smaller than for the larger assemblies, and all this can be so very confusing. So, what is the point of this video? Here it is. The resources I promised you. I only listed 2 here, but I will say the first one is experience and familiarity with the brand. The other 2 are there to help you get to the first. The list price book and the repair book are the 2 resources that will be your go-to guides to make sure you get the repair kit you need. The price book is helpful because it has an abbreviated repair kit list and lists the prices in an easy-to-read format. The repair book is helpful because it offers breakdown pictures and a list of what is included in each kit and the repair kit numbers. It takes a little getting used to, but it can be a great help. They also have some of the best breakdown exploded views of all the manufacturers. Let's take a look at these. Here is an example of a section of the list price book. This really is how they are on the page in little blocks like this. It gives you the size, part number, and list price. Here in the black headings you can see a description of what is in the kit. Notice that the same check rubber kits are listed in both the 350-450 section and the 375-475 section. Also notice in the 375-475 section that the check rubber kits have the 350 check rubber kit part number listed for them. Notice also that the repair kit number only lists the 350 model number in the repair kit number. Don't let that throw you off. It is correct. Here is the repair kit book. Notice at the top the repair kit sizes and the repair kit numbers. Below that is the list of parts used to make up the assembly. And under the repair kit number at the top there is a dot on the items that are included in each kit. At the bottom of the page is a repair kit description with the part number. And on the opposite page there will be a full page exploded view with the items numbered corresponding to the list parts on the first page. Both of these sources are very helpful. I will include links to both of these in the description of the video. What if these aren't helpful? Well, then I guess you just wasted 10 minutes of your life that you will never get back, and I offer my sincere apologies for wasting your time. But in all seriousness, you are always welcome to call or email me, and just tell me what you need. My contact information is on the last slide. As always, thank you for watching. I want to encourage you to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate those that take time to tell me how these videos help them. I receive phone calls, emails, and the comments below the video, all of which helps me to know what I need to do better, what I need to keep the same, and what I need to do next, and overall, how I can be helpful. So long until next time. Take care.